Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen. I do subscription box reveals or unboxings and mainly Ulta hauls. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of all my future videos. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and feel free to leave me a comment on any ideas and future content you would like to see. Today's video is from Bosslady Swag Box. This is a monthly subscription box for the boss lady to accentuate her life personally and professionally. You can get this box on a month-to-month basis, and it costs $35. And they do have prepay options, and for each prepay, you save a little bit of money if that is something you like to do. Bosslady Swag Box can be found on many social media forums: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, and on YouTube. This box was kindly sent to me from the owner of the company this month, and this is the November 2018 Bosslady Swag Box. You get a really pretty box, and you always get a nice card, and it's like a laminated card. It's actually pretty nice. And then on the reverse side, it tells you the month and all the items you're going to receive in your box. And the first item that is in the box is actually it's a Boss Lady mug, and that is right here. Let me just grab this. And it came wrapped. I put the little paper filler there just so that it wasn't all over the box when I went to open it. So it is a very nice mug. It says Boss Lady in gold on both sides. Nice gold accent handle. And it's from Sweet Water Decor. This is a 16-ounce mug. And it says, enjoy a nice beverage in your new beautiful gold accent 16-ounce mug. We had gotten a wine glass in the October box. And in true form, I mean, that's a big mug, which I will use for coffee or tea. But in my previous, I used it for brushes, so that's what I will be doing again. I'm always looking. I have so many brushes, so I always like to find something to put brushes in. And an approximate value that I could find, and I just use Amazon as a reference for pricing. And for that 16-ounce with mug with gold accents, find around a $15 value. Could be slightly higher depending on the site. The next item that is in the box is from a company called Vision Works. And the cards that I received, they have different affirmations on them. Be happy, believe, fitness, gratitude, love, success, scriptures, and I think there's 2 with scriptures. Yes, 2 with scriptures. So, and then it tells you a little bit about the creator there. And these, I received success. And there are actually 50, I believe 50 sticky notes in here. I think that's what it says on the back. Or on the paper. Somewhere I read that there's 50 sticky notes in here. Oh, yeah, right on the front. 50 individual. Oh, God, there's a glare today. So they're nice. We could all use some positive affirmation in our life. They're motivational sticky notes to inspire and empower you. So that's always a positive. Another item that, and that I found on their actual site for a value of $7.95. The next item, which I thought was so adorable, it says Boss Lady, and it is a stand. Let me take it out of the packaging. Let's drop the card. I'll show you this. I'm sorry. So this is really cute. So here's the stand. It says Bosslady. You know, you can replace, if you buy other ones, you can replace it, but why? That's adorable. So this is the Bosslady desk sign. So that's adorable. And that I actually found something similar, you know, and obviously it doesn't say Bosslady on it, from Amazon, around a $10 value. So I can't wait to display that. That's adorable. The next item in the box, and I'll save the scarf for last, is, you know, heavy duty plastic, same color, same everything as the sign, and it says Bosslady, and it has sticky notes on it. So this is the Bosslady sticky note stand, and this includes 300 sticky notes, and that I found something not as exactly this to be an $8 or a $10 value. I thought that was really adorable. And then the last item that I'm going to show you is the scarf, and it's an oversized scarf, and it says it's an oversized winter blanket scarf. So, and the coloring is very nice, and I found that something similar to that on Amazon for around $12 to $15. So this here is the design. It has fringe on the side, and this does open. I mean, this is just basically a quarter. It's kind of hard. My camera's kind of close to, so this is half. I don't know if you guys can see. So here's half of the scarf. So that, and it is long. I mean, it just keeps going and going and going and going and going and going. So this would be a beautiful scarf to wear over, you know, just as a fashion statement over a blouse or a nice sweater, you know, for indoor, even in spring and fall, you know, just to throw over your shoulders. Still a little chilly out right now. We're in late fall heading into winter where I live. This also would make a great, you know, scarf to wear with your coat. So, and the colors are grays, pink, I guess that's more white, or I would think, or like a cream white, but dark gray, light gray. I mean, it really is, feels wonderful to the hand, really is a beautiful scarf. So, like I said, that value right there, I mean, we all know the price of scarves. They're not exactly cheap. So to review what was in the box, we received the oversized winter blanket scarf. We received the Bosslady mug. Obviously, I put the brushes in there, so we will take them out just for display purposes for the brushes. We received the Bosslady sign, which we will prop up there. Oops, not going to stay. We received the Bosslady sticky notes and stand. And then we received from Vision Words, I don't know if I said works before, that's Vision Words, the sticky notes, the affirmation success sticky notes. So altogether, I calculated approximately $53 to $55 value for this month's box. Like I said in the beginning, it cost $35 for the month-to-month subscription. This box was sent to me by the owner of Bosslady Swag Box this month. And I am just so appreciative that she sent me this. So I received the October box. I won it in a contest on Instagram from Bosslady Swag Box. Loved October's box, and this box is even better than the October box. So I am extremely happy with the products in this box. They are all useful, all items that you will use, high quality. There is nothing cheap about anything in these boxes, my previous box or this box. I just think they fill the box with the highest quality items that they can. I mean, obviously they can't put, you know, spend hundreds of dollars to put items in the box, but I think the mug is a nice weight. I mean, I am in love with that sign, and even the sticky notes, the scarf. I will use every item in this box. So once again, thank you to the owner of Bosslady Swag Box for sending this to me. And that's it for this video. Everybody have a great day. Bye.